Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Kristen and today I'm going to show you my process for acrylic nail removal. This is my niece and she had this set on, I think we were guesstimating between 5 and 6 weeks. Due to some family events going on, we were unable to get together for me to either redo them or take them off for her. So she has decided to go ahead and take them off because she is going away to college this semester. So she won't be able to make it back to me. And I figured I would record it and show you my process for doing it. So of course, first I'm going to go ahead and take off her length. So for that, I am going to use a larger nail clipper. Right here, you see me checking where her hypernickium is. Hers did grow out a good bit, and I believe I try to show you a little bit. And see, you can see how much it's grown up. That is totally an acrylic overlay, but the part that you see growing up is actually her hypernickium. So we had to be very careful to not cut it and hurt her. So she did end up with a little length. Right there, I'm just determining where exactly it is and figuring out, because she had a couple fingers that were actually, it grew up further. So I go ahead and get that off without hurting her. And check her thumb too. I think her thumbs had done it a little bit also. The next step, I'm going to go ahead and file down the acrylic back to the clear layer. And for that, I am using a medium 5-in-1 bit, and that one is by Kiara Sky. That blue plastic piece on the bottom, that drill bit will come with it. I just leave it on because it does protect your hand piece from the dust flying back up into it, getting sucked up into it. So you're going to want to hold on to those if you get any drill bits with those. This part I did go ahead and leave in real time just so you could see how gentle and slow I'm working. Sometimes when it's sped up, it looks a little more aggressive and like I'm much more efficient than I really am, you know. But it is a process and you just got to be real careful. I pull her skin out of the way so that I don't catch it with the burr. And I just take my time so I don't hurt her or myself. And I just kind of keep moving around so that I don't create any heat spikes. Because if you do that or have ever had it done to you, you know it does not feel good. Since there's a lot of repetition in this process, I'm just going to go ahead and show you each step on a couple of the nails.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go too fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast.
Now that I got the acrylic filed down to the clear layer, it is time to soak them off. I found these little bowls on Amazon. There are two parts to it. This is the first part, and you go ahead and put pure acetone in the bottom of it. You'll see me get a little crazy here. You don't have to put as much as I did, as long as it covers the nails. In the second part of the bowl, which is this part right here, you're going to go ahead and put really, really warm water so that we can warm up that acetone so that it breaks it down faster. And here's me telling her to go ahead and put her hand in. So I got her hand in there all positioned nice, and I'll get that one out of the way while I go ahead and start taking down the nails on the other hand. Now she has soaked, as you can see, and I just go ahead and take a cuticle pusher and get off as much of the acrylic as I can, and I can have her soak, which we did, for another little bit while I scraped the other hand. So once again, going back and forth hand to hand so that I'm not wasting any time. So just in case anybody had any questions in regards to those bowls, I just wanted to tell you a little bit more about them. I did heat up the water in the lower part in the microwave, and they do clasp together. There's 3 clasps on it, so you close it and it's pretty tight, and you know, I guess that reduces the risk of spilling it everywhere. And I will try to find the link and link it in the description box if you guys are interested in getting those bowls. So as I was talking, you did see me go through the same 3 nails twice. The second time I went over them was after the second soak. Now I just take a white buffing block and I go over the nail to smooth it all back out, get off any little bit of acrylic that may be trying to hang on there, and then shape her nails as best we could. With her hypernychiums being long, we just put them at a comfortable length for her, and she was okay with them being a little bit different lengths. I do want to let you know that when you're getting rid of your acrylic, you don't want to pour it down the sink or anything, because you could ruin your plastic pipes. It will melt them. So what you want to do, what I do, is just leave it in the bowl and it'll evaporate, and then I clean it up the next day. Si dejáramos el pasado y esos besos, pero los dos nos amaríamos como antes. Es que no es la realidad, pero si fuera verdad, creo que me parará todo ese dolor. Pero no me llevará a donde yo quiera estar, sin una imaginación a tu alrededor. El cielo está nublado y solo hoy, porque el sol me dijo, baby, ya me voy. Es duro que tú me trates como estoy. Yo por nadie cambiaría lo que soy. El cielo está nublado y solo hoy, porque el sol me dijo, baby, ya me voy. Es duro que tú me trates como estoy. Deja cicatrices, tiene que doler pasa nada, y cerrar esta herida. Y se siente vivir cuando no estás, pero así es la vida. Once I am done filing that all off, I'm gonna go in with a good bit of cuticle oil and just massage that in real well for her. Todo nos separa, pero nada nos une. No lo arreglamos aunque tengo todo tune. El tiempo lo siento, está perdido. Dale todo lo no correspondido. Bella, que no te tenga a ti, ya muchos quieren de mí. That pretty much wraps up my video. I hope you found this helpful. If you like videos like this, let me know down below. I will do more of them. There is a shot of how they look all acrylic free. And if you don't mind, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.